Mother told me something that everyone should know. It's all about the devil, and I learned to hate him so. She said he causes trouble when you let him in the room. He will never ever leave you if your heart is filled with gloom. So let the sun shine in. Don't let Satan win. With Jesus in your heart, you will always win. So let the sun shine in where darkness once had been. Open up your heart and let the sun shine in. When you are unhappy, the devil wears a grin. But oh, he starts to run when Jesus comes in. I know he'll be unhappy